As the holiday season comes to an end, many of us are left with the daunting task of saying goodbye to those extra pounds we may have put on during all the festivities. But fear not, because today we are here to share with you 7 healthy lifestyle tips to help you stay fit and say goodbye to holiday weight gain for good. 1. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. One of the most important things you can do to kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for a healthy day is to start with a nutritious breakfast. Opt for whole grains, lean protein, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to fuel your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day not only helps your body function properly, but can also help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water each day to stay hydrated and keep your metabolism running smoothly. 3. Get moving every day. Exercise is key to maintaining a healthy weight and staying fit. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day. Whether it's going for a brisk walk, hitting the gym, or trying out a new workout class, find activities that you enjoy to make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a fun and rewarding way to stay fit. 4. Plan your meals and snacks. One of the best ways to stay on track with your healthy eating goals is to plan out your meals and snacks ahead of time. This can help prevent impulsive eating decisions and ensure that you have nutritious options readily available when hunger strikes. Prep healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and yogurt to have on hand for when hunger strikes between meals. 5. Choose nutrient-dense foods. When it comes to maintaining a healthy weight, the quality of your food choices matters just as much as the quantity. Opt for nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. 6. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is all about paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues and eating with intention and enjoyment. Slow down during meals, savor each bite, and listen to your body's signals to determine when you're truly hungry or satisfied. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. 7. Get plenty of rest and relaxation. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of rest and relaxation when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight and lifestyle. Lack of sleep and high levels of stress can wreak havoc on your metabolism and appetite, making it harder to stay on track with your healthy eating and exercise goals. Aim to get at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night and prioritize stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time with loved ones to keep your mind and body in balance.